Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel. Today I will try to show you a password generator, random complex password generator. This is normally requirement to set any password, because sometimes you keep very weak password, right, of your system. Let's say for example you are managing different servers and now you need to generate passwords. So ideally you need complex password like shown here, right, which cannot be broken by any brute force tries or algorithms. Now to do this, because I have two objectives. One is to show you how to generate complex passwords, and secondly how to do that in Excel. So there will be two things. I mean, we will be learning Excel as well, right? Excel features. Okay, first what I did, I listed down characters over here which I will include in the password generation, right. First, these are capitals. I put it up to here, right, and then these are small letters A to Z. Then these are special signs. I put it over here. You can include, exclude the way you want. If there is anything, maybe your system is restricting any character, so you can remove that character instead of putting it over here. Okay, then numbers. I am again here generating random numbers between 10 and 999, 999, right. You can increase, you can reduce, up to you, right. I just kept it like this. Okay, now these four columns are there as our source column, right. Okay, now on the right side top, this is just a numbering, just to see okay how many times I took any character or something like that, or length of the password. Here it is 10, but here if you see there are 3, so these will be extra, right. See here, or and here numbers are 2 times, so 3 plus 3, these two numbers are becoming 6, so this will be 10 plus 4, so it is 14, right. Okay, and here since I used any, so it is also somewhere it is 3 numbers. Okay, now what I did, on the top I put these headings which are exactly same over here, right. Then here, let's say for example in the first cell, let me put F2. I used function index first. I gave this range of these four columns. Then for the index I need row number, right, first row number. So instead of giving row number, I gave it random from 2 to 27, because first is this heading, right. So starting from here to 27, because 26 are the characters, so 27, right. Then comma. Now here instead of giving direct column number, I said match, take this name and match over here. So let's say for example capital is the first column, so here it will return first column, right, and enter, right. That's it. And then I copy paste it, right. So for example, if let's say this small, instead of number, let's say number here, I want small here. Sorry, it is not copied. Here also I want small, right. So all passwords updated randomly. It's not something specific, you can say scheme or anything, but it's a random, right. Even these numbers are getting randomly generated each time. Okay, now the last column, there I put any. Here any means, here at the moment I am selecting, let's say for example I only need small, I need only capital or special or numbers, etc. Here I said random again. It can be anything between these values from these from this range, right, up to here, right, any number, maybe it can be number or something else randomly. So if you see here, a logic bit different. So here instead of giving this match to get the column number, I said random column between 1 and 4. So, even select randomly any column and take the value, and take which value? Random value between 2 and 27. So, from this, let us say randomly it selected this third column. So, then let us say for example, it selected any row. So, it will return that value, right. So, just for the example, let me put it over here for your convenience. I will make this range from 0 to 9, right, and then control C, and I am doing control V. See. So, if you see here my numbers are randomly generated, right, and each time it will be generated once this, if you will type anything or do any change in this sheet, because automatic refresh is enabled, I will show you how to disable that. So, it will change, right. So, if you see here, let me change any value, let us say for example, if I will do anything here. So, all the formulas will be again refreshed like this. So, if you see here, now password length will be exactly 10 here for all, because these numbers are now single digit, right. Okay. Now, to overcome this auto refresh. So, now let us say for example, I have this option, I need to now generate passwords. So, I might write over here, let us say server name or IP address or whatever I want. I have to keep this password somewhere as well as a protected sheet. So, it will become our password wallet, right. Now, let us say for example, it is server 1 Oracle EBS apps, Oracle EBS DB, SharePoint, etc. It depends. I don't know how many it can be. Now, for what I will do, I will go to file, I will go to options, and then I will go to formulas, and if you see here on the top, the calculation for this file is automatic. So, I will show manual, and recalculate I will disable this as well. So, until I will not ask specifically, do not refresh, right, and click OK, right. So, now if you will do anything, it will not change. To refresh, you have to press F9. F9. This is a key on your keyboard, F9, right. Otherwise, it will not refresh. So, now let us say for example, if I want to refresh, F9, right. So, here these are passwords. Let us say for example, what I did, I put first capital, because normally in maybe few systems it might ask it should start with capital letter, it depends. Otherwise, you can change this sequence as well the way you want, right. So, what you can do, just change copy paste this heading, let us say small, if you will put something over here, okay, and then F9, right, it is done. Now, if you see here, even I can after generating, I can take these values and keep somewhere else, or maybe I need a printed letters or whatever. Okay, what is a benefit of this? Let us say for example, you might say, how I will type these while I am logging to the something or whatever, let us say for example, if you have your laptop and you are logging to any client or something like that, it is better to copy from here in that password prompt, because sometimes typing known password, someone sitting near to you can easily judge, okay, what exactly he is typing. So, this is how you can generate the password. And please stop these common passwords like date of birth, your favorite names, your cities, countries, cell numbers, telephone, landlines, extensions. I have heard many people who had, event of hacking their accounts, especially like Facebook, YouTube, etc. Right. So, if you want to increase this length, you will have to increase this formula as well. Here you will have to concat the next column as well, column and row f6, right. So, this is how it is, very easy. And now let us say again I will put capital the first letter, I want second letter also capital. See, nothing is changing, right, because I put it manual F9, right. I think it is now easy, and please keep complex password of your bank accounts, of your social accounts like Facebook. Don't think, let's say for example, if you have Facebook, you think I have nothing there, so why to protect, few people things like that. But once it is hacked, then you will notice what happens to your account. So please keep complex password, no matter you use this technique or some other technique, but use a complex password to set for any, especially what you are using on the internet, because on internet things like your email accounts or anything having more risk as compared to your local on your computer or something like that, which is not having direct access to internet. And because now there are different utilities and things which can generate passwords and all the dictionary manage passwords. So it will first check the dictionary words. So if it match, maybe it will take few minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes, and it will give you the passwords. So I have another video as well on the password complexities, so you can go through on that. And please share your feedback on this video as well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.